Right, this is my jet pump that I've had for about 2 years, and I haven't used it for longer than a year, and that fuel has been sitting there for longer than a year as well. Let's see if it starts. Okay, let's unwind it, and I'm going to put it on my tender. Okay, it's quite a light motor. I've made other videos about this little engine. Okay, let's put it on. Now, it's not really made for seawater, so I get a lot of corrosion around the jet down the bottom. We'll look at this now. See, it's all corrosion, but it still works despite the corrosion. There's a little plastic propeller in there, and that is still intact. Okay, it's good. It's a noisy little motor. I've never changed the oil once. I just topped it up when I first bought it. The oil's still good, from what I can tell. Still oil in there. Now that fuel, I don't know if that fuel's going to work, but I'm going to give it a try anyway. It's more than a year old that's been sitting there. Okay, I'm just hitting it to shake it around just in case it needs a stirring. I don't know if that makes a difference, but I'm just doing it anyway. Okay, so engine's on the boat, and I've just put it in the water. Okay, now it's quite stiff, turning left and right to there, like that. I'll have to oil that. Right now, I'll live with it. Okay, let's see if we can start the thing. Okay, so choke on. So that choke is on now. Okay, that's the engine off. I don't need that yet. Hasn't started. Okay, now there is a little pump. I'm pressing with my thumb. It's just to get fuel in the lines. You can see when there's enough fuel in the lines because all the little bubbles just go through. Anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it's started. It's a bit smoky, and it's very noisy. But this engine hasn't been running for a year, and I haven't done any maintenance on it at all. Okay, choke off, and it works. Let's just rev it a little bit. Yep, that works. Okay, I'm just gonna let that warm up for a bit. Okay, untie. Let's go for a motor around the marina. Okay, and we're off, and it's working. The engine I've had for just over 2 years, and I've done zero maintenance on it. And you can see at the beginning there was corrosion, and well, that's just because it's salt water. But despite that, the engine still works, you can see. And that fuel is just old petrol. Very good. The only issue, there isn't really any issue other than the noise. It's a bit noisy. It's the noisiest engine in this marina, or noisiest outboard. Annoys all the residents, probably. No one's complained yet, but I don't use it much. I mean, like I said, I haven't used it for a year, but I wanted to give it a try today. It seemed like an okay day. That's working. I went around the marina, up and down, had a look at all the boats for about 15 minutes. It was fine. Didn't conk out once. The smoke has stopped now. You'll notice next time we see the engine. And that's me in the reflection. Rightio. See, no smoke coming out of the engine now. A bit of traffic. Can be busy sometimes, but I can get away. I can avoid danger with this little engine. There's no real danger now. The engine works. Looks pretty good. Here's some traffic. Let's go through the wake. Very good. Very good. The engine is working fine. Zero maintenance, zero oil changes, old fuel. Took a bit to start up. The smoke stopped after a while. And you actually can't buy them on Amazon anymore. Well, you probably can, but I couldn't find them. But it's a good little motor. It didn't cost me much, less than £200 when I first bought it, so it's kind of like a throwaway motor really. You may just turn it off. Okay, excellent. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe and share.